Finally beat them. I finally personally got over the hump. You know, that means a lot. We're going to keep rolling. Let's go.
Finally being the top dog. Nothing better than that. You know, finally beating them. They're always a good team, but to beat them my senior year at our place, great feeling. Great feeling.
Best thing, they thought we was the underdogs, but we really the big dogs, but they just didn't see it. We knew what it was, and we still beat them.
Finally being able to beat Franny's after last year getting dominated by them. We finally came back. Let's go!
We just beat St. Francis. After 8 games of losing, we beat St. Francis. Big 8 season!
Man,
Winning! I lost 2 times in a row and walked off the field crying. Winning.
Being with my brothers, getting that big W, that was crazy.
Get the foot on the gas and get where I'm going. Getting to play with my boys every weekend.
being Franny's, man, that's the best thing in the game. We got home field advantage.
Beating Franny's. The fact that we get to go home immediately, not take a 4-hour bus ride, is amazing.
Just winning. Kings of the Monsignor Martin. Number 1, baby.
Number one. Number one.
Number 1. Let's go, baby.
We were firing on all cylinders. You know, we scored almost every drive.
Played as a team. Smack him in the mouth every play.
Proving to everyone that we're number 1 in New York.
Being a freshman on the field. Winning.
Just scoring every play.
It was a blowout. We just limited mistakes, and we got athletes, so Mari Wallace, big kick return.
We balled out and we won. Just winning.
Winning.
First home game, we punched him in the mouth.
It was a great team. We're happy for the boys. Finally beat Franny's and let's keep rolling.
Best thing was watching these kids fight. We finally knocked down Franny's for the first time since the spring 21 season.
And now we're going to go for home field advantage.
Finally got the monkey off our back, so we got to do it again. We get the chance to do it again.
It's been a long climb, man. We do that, and our kids came to play from the get-go today. They were focused up and got a little sloppy late, but we made all the big plays in the game.